driving this thing today. On my way into work this morning, decided I was going to stop and cast out some lures, but I don't think I can go this way. Let's see what's up, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to hit that rock right there. I'm not getting a splash over here. All I need is that free wave to miss. Oh, you see? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's rough, guys. We're going to go with the top water and see what we can pick up. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, guys, we've been getting some rough water lately. Has not been nice on us with the weather. Probably pick up a jack on that top water in here this morning. Not a good week this week, guys. Can't get my regular cast because of that splash. I don't want to get wet, but we'll give it a shot real quick. Get out there on that wave. I've never hooked nothing on lures in these rough waters. Right now this looks like permit jack waters right here. I swear, guys, I feel like setting line here one day because of the roughness of the water. Yeah, you're definitely not going to get any barrels coming through here, guys. So we're going to head down, head to work, not get wet. Let's get out of here, guys. Rider! Come in, man. Huh? Come in, let me go feed. Come go feel safe, come in. This one they can't come in. Here guys, so today's project, we're working on this polo field, me and Brian. We're driving this thing today and we're getting some dirt ready to fill in the horse tracks because we're about to have a polo match on this field. You see my car all the way down there, so we have this nice piece of machinery driving around today. We're going to be getting some dirt and stuff mixed up together and do all of that stuff today, guys. So not in the office as usual, but we out here working with some underground, let's call it that. All right, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, so me and Brian is here. We gotta sieve this dirt out, make a smoother dirt down below, which when we set up this rigamajig here, because we gotta fill these holes in on the field to prevent the horses from getting hurt. So, and they're gonna be having a polo match soon, and like I said, me and Brian is out running this Honda, grabbing some dirt and sand at the same time, mixing it together to fill the hole in. So not my normal round the clock work, but due to the fact that I'm here managing this process, I jumped in with Mr. Brian. You give him a hand, me and him work together, get this done. I like working, guys, so nothing scares us. We get in this and we get this work done, guys, and get this sorted out. So as you guys can see, the process, smooth fine dirt coming out that'll pack those holes really nice, mixed with sand and topsoil, which will make the grass grow pretty fast with sodium chloride. So stay tuned, guys. We outside, me and Mr. Brian. Big up. Yeah, guys, so that's what it looks like. Get this out of the way. Big old vessel. Alright, let's bring this load down and come back up, do some more. Come in. We can't leave these here, or we have to take them with us? I need the shovels. I need two shovel.
No. We'll leave one shovel out there with the dirt.
Yeah, so carry one shovel.
Yes, alongside this one. We don't have this to use already.
Yeah. I mean, damn. Yeah, guys. Alright, down middle of field. Alright, let's go. Now feel it then, them in this, you know? After we roll, it's supposed to flatten out still. I had a goal post in that. Yeah. Alright. me I look for clutch, no blood clot. You just me I look for clutch. Brother! Me I look for clutch the ratted, brother! Old trailer driver, man. A trailer habit, man. Like this, you know, this is a paddle shift. Everything, so you have to hold in a neutral before you can change in a reverse. Now. You have to hold this, pull in a reverse. Put it back in a neutral, go back in a drive. You understand? So when you go up on this side, you know, you go back in a neutral.
On the left side.
Yeah, so when you go so in a drive, and then you can't go back in a nothing here, so you know. So you have to come here so and go neutral, and then pull this and put in a reverse on the left. And then let it go. Go so look. Neutral, drive again. Neutral. That's it. Easy for drive right now. By first me I drive one. I first me I drive one today. Alright, come in again, Brian. I feel the time again. Yeah, but guess what? I'm a driver, so guess what? We're gonna get one of them eventually, right?
Never. Never eat myself some double in a day.
Yeah, it's my first time ever driving one of these specifically, but I had my own four-wheelers, my own quads and stuff.
No, I forget.
Right, this one. Alright, that's good. Alright guys, so we just drop off one load done, so I'll do one more load again. And Brian will sieve out another load and bring it down, drop it in the field so we have them at a strategic point that we can fill the holes in when we're ready. Thirsty. I'm gonna get lunch in a bit. But I'm gonna head down to the other side of the field and get my container so I can get some water in it to drink. So I just dropped Brian off at the top of the hill and let him do what he's doing. So you guys can see me, see what's going on. Jamaican shore fishing. Haha. Yeah guys, we're just out on the job today. Nothing special. No special video today. I was doing some fishing earlier on, but I didn't pick up anything. The water's kind of rough. The weather just started easing up a bit, but we still have a bit of wind. So, all said and done, guys. When I get done with work this week, we'll see what we can pick up, see what we can get in, which will be totally awesome. So, be cruising, guys. So, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Don't want to drive across this field too fast and then dig any more holes that we're filling out. So this is for a polo match that's supposed to take place in short notice. So what I'm basically doing is get this field ready for that, and we have to get it leveled to a T. And I see some uneven spots down here that we need to get to and get them leveled up. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Break, and I'm sitting out looking at the ocean, looking across the field. The wind is blowing, we're in the shade. A little bit of ambience for lunch, guys. So we're having some jerk chicken fries today.